Assalamu alaikum grade 4, how are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing at school, your schoolmates and teachers, but no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. As you people know that our second term has been started, so we are going to proceed towards our English reading class, fine. Today the date is 22nd January 2021 and the day is Friday. Okay class, I'm going to show you some of the pictures and I'll ask you the questions. Fine. The names of the people. Now you can see this picture. Everybody is aware of this leader. This is one of the greatest leaders. Who is this? This is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Yes, he is the national hero. Fine, because he was the one who, he is the founder of Pakistan. Fine. Okay, now come to this picture. Who is this? Yes, you people are aware of this person. He is also one of the greatest and famous persons. Yes, this is Allama Muhammad Allama Iqbal, fine, and he is the national poet of Pakistan. So we come to know that he is also one of the famous persons and he's the national poet of Pakistan, fine. Okay, who this person is? Maybe some of the people know and some people don't know. He's Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan and he's the one who introduced our country Pakistan as an atomic power, fine. He created atom bomb. And he is the one, he is a greatest scientist. He's one of the greatest scientists, fine. Okay class, why did I show you a number of pictures? Fine. Yes, I showed you a number of pictures, and why did I show you? Because today our topic is, I'm going to introduce you what is a biography. Fine. Now, biography is the story of a real person's life that is written by another person. And always remember, biography is written for any famous person most of the time. ठीक है, biography क्या होती है? Story होती है that is written for a real person, of a real person's life. यानी कोई भी character जो real होता है, not an imaginary character. ठीक है ना? Who has played such an important role in the history. For that person, biography is written, and that is not written by the person who was that. ठीक है? It is written by another person, by the third person. So we will find, if you read any biography, you will find the third person over there. You won't find the word I, you will find we, he, she, like this. Okay class, so today I am going to introduce you the biography of our Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Fine, I showed you some of the pictures. They are one of the greatest leaders and famous persons, but Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he is one of the greatest heroes amongst a whole. No any other person has come into this world who is famous like him. Fine, so he is one of the greatest heroes and one of the greatest persons in the whole world. Until the world is going to be his character and his personality will be. Fine, so I'm going to share some of the chunks about him. You will find solid information about that person. This is true information in the biography. Fine. Now you can see here I'm sharing some of the important points and important chunks of our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's life. Now see here, he was born in 570 CE in Makkah. CE stands for century, ठीक है ना? तो 570 century में मक्का में पैदा हुए. His mother's name is Amina. Amina is the name of his mother. Our Holy Prophet's mother's name is Amina. Father died prior to the birth of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. First 5 years he was sent to the desert to learn a traditional Arabic language. So when our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was about to born into this world, he was about to send to this world. He was his father named as Abdullah. He was died, fine, and our Holy Prophet was being sent to this world and he was an orphan. And what happened? He was sent to the desert to learn a traditional Arabic language. And our Holy Prophet ﷺ learned Arabic language there. Now he was extremely trustworthy and quiet. These are some of the characteristics of our Holy Prophet ﷺ. In fact, we cannot describe the qualities of our Holy Prophet ﷺ, but these are some of the points I am sharing with you. He was such a trustworthy person and quiet ones. Trustworthy means amanatdar the, and quiet means a person who does not like to speak a lot. ठीक है, he was not a poet. What happened actually, the Arabs, they used to call him poets, fine. They used to make fun of our, like God forbid, the people of Makkah, they used to make fun of our Holy Prophet ﷺ that he composes poetry when the revelation of Quran was there upon him. But he was not a poet, fine. He was a true person. He was not very conversational, like he did not like to talk to everyone a lot. He was a very quiet person. He was kind to the poor and orphans. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा गरीबों के साथ, orphan कहते हैं a person who does not have his parents. So he was very much kind to them. He had no inspiration to be a leader, like he did not want to lead people, but people themselves made him a leader due to his characteristics. Fine. Okay class, we come to know that biography is a story of another person's life. Fine, this is written by another person. So I shared this biography of our Holy Prophet ﷺ. I hope you people have enjoyed like learning some of the chunks, and you people like the information must be very much fruitful for you. Okay class, I hope you people have enjoyed reading the biography of our Holy Prophet ﷺ. You people take a very good care of your health, and Allah Hafiz from my side.